Ladies and germs, it's time to make shrimp ceviche. Spring's coming, so let's make this refreshing, healthy dish. I'm gonna dice up some cucumbers real nice, a bunch of tomatoes, get them in nice small, bite-sized portions. I've got some reds, I got some yellows. It's a party, do what you want. I also like mine spicy, so I'm gonna dice up some jalapenos. I got some red onions, shallots, and then to the shrimp. I like to get mine already deveined, peeled, all that. It just makes it easier. And then I'm going to cover the shrimp with lemon, lime, and then one little orange at the end. This is what's going to cook it. And then just layer all your veggies. Get them in there as much as you can. I clearly cut way too much for the size of my jar. Just trying to finger them in there. It's not going to work. So no way this is going to get mixed up in there. So I'm going to dump this in a bowl. And then I'm going to mix in some chopped cilantro. And just to you know, this is a cooked shrimp. It's just not using heat to cook it. It's using the acid and the lemon, lime, and orange. And make sure you sit it in the fridge covered for at least 30 minutes to an hour so that it gets cooked thoroughly. Ooh. Oh, man. Immediately you get that cilantro, that citric acid from all that lemon, lime, orange juice. I was planning on eating this on a chip, but since this started out as raw shrimp, I'm just gonna raw dog it right off the spoon. Yeah. If you have any hesitation about eating shrimp that's cooked this way, that's cooked in the citric acid, if you think it's raw, this is a more delicate and just like nice, firm and bite and chew to it than any like seared shrimp or anything like that you would get. Don't feel like you have to make this much. I made way too much of this. So I guess I'm just gonna have to eat it. Oh no.